student of Cor Mariae Girls Comprehensive Secondary School. I learned about the 3D printer, the cam and the card. So yes, I was able to practicalize the printings. I felt happy and fun practicing with the STEM Club Association. So I would like to do more.
My name is Jessica. I'm in SS1 and my main intention was to be an art student, but I'm not convinced with this lesson to do science. Oh, this class is very fun and interesting.
Actually, when I saw you guys this morning, I was flabbergasted, and I was so really happy when I found out that you guys are teaching us about how to create things.
My name is Ameke Junipeso from Cor Mariae Girls Comprehensive Secondary School, Omongase Aba. I'm in SS2 Science. Today's class was so amazing and it helped me to know the things that I thought I can never reach to know. I think I'm improving. I'm really happy.
My name is Ostadema Florence. We learned how to program LED lights. At first it was weird, but when we continued, I found it more interesting, though it was stressful. But all thanks to the Clintonel Innovation Centre. And today, I just feel awesome, and I can't still believe that I made a Christmas light. Yes.
My name is Ibeka St. James Ebuchi. I'm from CIC. I'm the head of technical. We just did a training on computer-aided design and manufacturing, electronics programming, and pressure.
Everyone from Cor Mariae Girls Comprehensive Secondary School. I'm Lillian Anthony. I'm in SS3 Science. Today was an awesome one. I didn't expect such a big thing. I was able to create a hydraulic system. I also learned that a hydraulic system is a system that uses liquid to transmit energy. Examples of hydraulic system are the car jack, the car brakes, the cranes.
This was so new to the students. Most of them haven't had a real hands-on training like this before.
We did our practicals in group. Then at first we weren't getting it then, but later on we confirmed everything and we got it right, and we are so proud of ourselves.
My name is Dominic Okoro, the physics teacher of Cor Mariae Girls Comprehensive Secondary School here in Aba. We have been with CIC for a long period of time now, about 3 days, and we have learned a lot of things from them, both the counter system, the design for us, and the pressure and its application. Hydraulic pressure systems, the students in SS3 practice that today, and I'm very happy about the student performance and their way they are happy, and wish that this will continue.
The students were actually very responsive to the training. With our experience in teaching other schools, we've been able to simplify the learning method. So thank you to ACT Foundation, thank you to Cor Mariae Comprehensive Secondary School, and thank you to Clintonel Innovation Centre, the implementing partner, for making this possible.